Today we are reviewing Dermalogica Precleanse Makeup Remover Face Wash Melt Away Layers of Makeup Oil, Sunscreen, and Environmental Pollutants. The deep cleansing oil melts the impurities from your skin and removes all makeup on the skin. This double cleanse regimen consists of pre-cleanse followed by double cleanse regimen that leads to ultra clean, healthy skin. Using skin fortifying Kukui and Apricot oils, remove layers of excess sebum, sunscreen, waterproof makeup, environmental pollutants, and residue products that have been accrued on your skin throughout the day, while thoroughly melting away these layers. With just a little water, you can transform this water-loving formula into a milky emulsion that easily cleanses the skin of its debris, allowing your prescribed Dermalogica cleanser to be penetrated even further for more effective cleansing. The gentle blend of the oil contains rice bran oil and vitamin E oils to help condition and nourish the skin around the eyes. It can also be used to remove waterproof mascara. In addition to offering a deep cleansing effect, it is ideal even for those with oily skin. This product is free from artificial fragrances and colors, making it ideal for sensitive skin. The benefits included in this product are as follows: removes oil without clogging pores, replenishes essential fatty acid into skin, and facilitates the effective use of Dermalogica cleansers. This was review for Pre-Cleanse Makeup Remover Face Wash.